Before you solve your next LeetCode problem, listen to this. If grinding DSA for hours actually guaranteed success, most of us would already be cracking interviews. But that's not happening. And it's not because you're bad at coding. It's because the way we practice DSA is broken. Today, I'll show you why the grind is flawed and what smarter, modern DSA practice really looks like. Let me start with a hard truth. The endless solving of random DSA problems is flawed. Many of us spend weeks, even years, grinding. Yet when interviews come, we struggle to explain our thinking. We pass test cases, but fail interviews. That's because solving problems is not the same as thinking like an engineer. DSA is not just about getting the answer. It's about how you arrive there. Doing more problems feels productive, but it hides 3 big issues. First, it ignores communication. Interviews test how you think out loud, not just your final code. Second, it builds muscle memory, not understanding. You remember patterns of answers, but freeze when the problem looks slightly different. And third, it lowers code quality. Short tricks beat clean logic. Interviewers notice this instantly. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop chasing problems. Start mastering patterns. Most DSA questions are built from a small set of ideas. Sliding window, 2 pointers, hashing, prefix sums. When you know patterns, chaos turns into order. You're no longer guessing. You're recognizing. Let's make this practical. For arrays and strings, there are only a few core patterns. Traversal, 2 pointers, sliding window, hash maps and frequency counting, prefix sums, binary search, greedy approaches. For strings specifically, stack-based logic, string construction. Master these and most interview questions stop feeling random. Now let's zoom in on one pattern sliding window. The idea is simple. You maintain a window over part of the array or string. You expand it, you shrink it, and you reuse previous work instead of recalculating. Whenever you hear words like longest, shortest, maximum, or minimum inside a subarray or substring, your brain should whisper, sliding window. The biggest mistake here, shrinking and expanding in the wrong order. Slow down, be intentional. Next, 2 pointers. Instead of 1 index, you use 2. They might move together or towards each other. This pattern shines with sorted arrays, palindromes, removing duplicates, pair sum problems. The golden rule, always ask, which pointer moves me closer to the answer? Here's a quick 30-second pattern check you can use in interviews. Is this about a subarray or substring? Think sliding window. Is the input sorted? Think 2 pointers or binary search. Is it about counting or frequency? Think hash maps. Is it about range sums? Think prefix sums. This mental flow removes panic. It gives you direction. You do not need hundreds of problems. You need the right ones. About 20% of problems teach you 80% of patterns. Problems like to sum, maximum subarray, valid palindrome, longest substring without repeating characters. Solve these deeply. Understand why they work. They will appear again, just disguised. Hard problems aren't magic. They're combinations. Sliding window plus hashing, prefix sum plus hashing, sorting plus 2 pointers. When you see patterns as building blocks, big problems stop feeling scary. You break them down calmly. LeetCode is powerful if you use it correctly. Free version builds consistency. Premium improves focus. Company-specific questions. Official editorials. Frequency insights. The goal is not completing lists. The goal is clarity and confidence. Let's talk about return on investment. Months of random grinding versus weeks of focused, pattern-based preparation. Targeted prep saves time, improves solution quality, and directly impacts your career growth. Here's a simple plan you can follow. First, target companies. Second, analyze solutions, don't memorize them. Third, simulate interview pressure. Speak while you code. Fourth, track weak patterns and revisit them. Simple. Effective. Remember, interviewers listen to your thinking. Say things like, my first thought is brute force. We can optimize this using 2 pointers. This reduces time complexity to on. Always mention edge cases, empty input, single element, duplicates. This signals senior level thinking. Patterns come with templates. Learn them abstractly. Reuse them confidently. Avoid common traps. Off by one errors. Modifying lists while iterating. Ignoring edge cases. Most rejections happen here, not in logic. Let's close with this. If you can explain a solution clearly, you truly understand it. Stop grinding blindly. Start thinking strategically. If this video helped you rethink DSA preparation, like the video, subscribe for more structured learning, and comment below with the one pattern you'll master next. See you in the next one.